Most financial apps let you create price alerts, but some of the most important things to monitor have nothing to do with a stock hitting a specific price. You may want to know when cash builds up in your accounts, when your portfolio drifts from its target allocation, or when a particular investment theme becomes a larger or smaller part of your portfolio. That's where Mezzi's AI-powered notifications come in. To get started, open the Notifications section. Here you'll see all of your active notifications, along with previews of the updates you'll receive. For example, you might have a notification that alerts you when the cash balance in your checking accounts exceeds a certain amount. You could receive a daily portfolio summary, updates on your largest holdings, notifications when your portfolio drifts from its target allocation, or alerts tied to a specific investment theme you're monitoring. The goal isn't to create more notifications. It's to surface information when it becomes relevant. Now let's create a new one. Open the AI chat and describe what you'd like to monitor in plain English. For example, every Friday, let me know the cash balance in my checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit card accounts. Mezzi interprets your request, identifies the relevant accounts, and creates the notification automatically. You can also manage existing notifications through AI chat. If a notification is no longer useful, simply ask Mezzi to remove it. For example, remove my AI exposure monitor. Mezzi will update your notifications accordingly. Today, you can create up to 5 custom notifications with support for additional notifications planned in future releases. Notifications can currently be delivered through your email and as push notifications on iPhone. The broader idea is simple. Instead of manually checking your accounts for changes, you can define the situations that matter to you and have Mezzi monitor them automatically. What would you want Mezzi to monitor for you? Try creating a few notifications and let us know what you think.